Take off helicopter. Helicopter takeoff. Awesome, they just filmed a commercial. We got to go in the helicopter. It's awesome.
Oh, do you want to get that for breakfast? I'm like, yes.
It's about to take off.
Who's in Jersey? Probably more. I see you.
Take off in a little bit. 3. It will turn on in 3, 2, 1, and start. Start. 5, 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
What's it doing? Fun. Probably the boringest video ever.
We're going to get a patient.
Are we a patient? Where?
I don't know where. From where? They tend to go to other hospitals a lot.
Let's go already.
I think it's so cool. Like be a flight nurse.
This is better.
Yeah. Mine's clear. You got 2 minutes already?
Yes.
It's going to get a real patient.
Mom's getting tired.
Do you mind, Charlie?
I'm sorry, man.
Did you zoom in?
Huh?
Did you zoom in?
No.
I'm going to take it to the top.
Well, let's get hold mine there. Stop!
What?
They're kicking me.
Mine is already at 3 minutes.
Stop it. Oh, it's messing up. Stop. Fingers. I should take a video too. My neighbor's name is Elias.
When are we gonna take off?
So how long is it going to do this? Has to get enough wind power. Look how slow mine's going. Look how much, yeah, you can see it a lot better.
This is going so slow.
You can actually see the thing.
Mine's
moving.
going slow.
Yeah, same. Why? I don't know. You can hear it though.
I'm going so slow.
No.
Why is it going so slow? Where's it going slow?
Taking too long.
You're going slow down?
Yeah. Here, do that 5 minutes.
Oh, you better take off right when it gets 5.
And it's actually not going to Stop! Stop!
What if you miss it?
I'll get 2 minutes. Where's Ryan? No! Oh my gosh, that got me so mad.
Look how slow it looks.
Yeah! There it is!
Look how slow it looks on video.
Goodbye.